Welcome fellow pilots, I'm Brian with Friendly Hobbies and we're here in the Friendly Hobbies studio today doing some experimental FPV. What we've done is we're putting the equipment on a 200QX and we put a GoPro on it, and I want to say a shout out to Earthlink 1984 for giving us the idea of putting a GoPro on. We didn't think it would take it up. We're really excited to try it to see if this will lift all the weight that we have on it. So here is the 200 with all the stuff on it. We're going to show you how to install the equipment and what we did to get everything hooked up. Okay, we're here and we have strapped the GoPro on with just simple plastic tape. Now we did plug in the GoPro to all of the connectors before we taped it so that it'd be plugged in. And what we have here is we have a whole bundle of wires, but this has the balance connector on it to get power to the transmitter, and it also has the GoPro plug-in. So I'm going to put the bundle of wires up on top there and then just kind of put in a Velcro strap and tighten her up a little bit. Okay. I'm going to put a second strap here for a little bit more insurance to keep it nice and stable. And there it is. Now we can just plug in the JST that goes right to the battery and then our balance connector, and we're good to go. Okay, here's the moment of truth. We're going to take it up and see if it'll hold all the weight. Here we go. And it's up. It's holding the weight, no problem. Flying really good. Okay, we got weight. Okay, here we go with the goggles. FPV on a 200QX. I've got video. Initialize. And here we go.
What, you got some comments?
Boy, it's flying really good in a great picture.
Watch behind you. It's right behind you. Did you see yourself?
I did.
You scared the crap out of me. That was funny.
Let's cut that out. Well, that was a lot of fun. We had great success with FPV on the little 200QX. We did notice it's quite a bit of drain on the battery running the transmitter and flight time because of the weight. So be prepared, maybe order a couple extra batteries, go to the park, do some footage and have fun. As always, we thank you very much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also are having a contest this week that if you go to our Facebook page, like and share the video, we'll pick somebody at random that liked and shared the video, and we'll send them a free helipad, compliments of Friendly Hobbies. Thank you again. We'll see you next time.